Okay, so now we are on our way to the car show that everybody has been waiting for and been asking to see. And luckily, it's only about 500 feet away. It's literally right at that huge tower right there. It starts
in 5 hours.
And yeah, and it does start in a whole 5 hours. Just saying. I think we'll make it.
Hello.
Nope, me first. Doing it for the vlog.
Yeah.
You always do it for the vlog, no matter what.
Yep.
Okay, now that you're in wide mode, you can probably see a whole lot more.
There's show cars, but it says go that way.
Shoot, that's the one I wanted to go to. Well, hang on, where's this Model T? Oh yeah, they're all going that way. So I gotta turn around.
Yeah.
Alright, we are being goody two shoes right now.
Yeah. Super.
Oh, I thought he was pointing at me. Alright, here we are. That is one. Oh, that's not a Chevy. That's a Chevy. That's not a GTO. My bad. That's not a GTO. That's a Chevy.
Yeah.
So that means it's junk. I could say that because I'm in a Chevy. And just think, we've been driving this car a lot. This was full this morning.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Pulling forward. Hopefully we're not in violation, or he asked for my ID because I don't have either. And I don't feel bad about my left brake light being so dim.
Oh yeah.
Well, I guess we're gonna listen to some copyright. We'll be back when we get closer.
Oh, how are you guys doing?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. What year?
67. Now we can be loud. We're in, so we can be loud now. Now I'm not gonna rev it because we learned the hard way. You're not allowed to rev it here. Okay, that's pretty cool. The old Buicks.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was like, Continental.
Oh, that's a Plymouth.
Yeah, there's a Plymouth.
Plymouth and a Buick. Those are nice cars.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you're probably the youngest.
I probably am the youngest. I am the youngest.
You are.
I'm just gonna go straight in. I'm going over there.
Yeah.
Literally just idle in here. Ever so slowly.
Yeah.
Especially because I'm in a stick shift, and if I stall this car...
It's funny because everyone looks because you're so young.
I know.
Oh my gosh, look how low that is.
Oh my god, that is on the ground.
Yeah, it's on the ground.
Okay, how close can I get?
I don't know, you can't take the spot you want to.
Technically I can.
Oh yeah, technically you can.
Oh, there's the Camaro SS. I'm just following that.
Right there.
There we go. That's my car right there.
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Oh, is that guy turning around? Oh, or is he backing into a spot?
He's backing around, I think.
Oh crap! Can that lady in the wheelchair move? Yeah, I got an idea. Okay, I can go right here too. Here, should I go right? I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah.
Just to get this car not idling anymore. I'm gonna go right here.
Cadillac.
Oh god, this is so nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Everybody is watching me.
Yeah.
Like literally everyone is watching me. And if I stall this car, it's not gonna be good. I smell pancakes. Hey, old dude, move.
Alright.
Right there. Because if I stall this car, I'm not gonna be happy. Am I in on your side?
Yeah.
Like a lot? Or?
No, you're good.
Alright, I'm gonna pull forward some. Right. Alright, there I'm sitting. Oh my god, it didn't restart itself.
Yeah.
Oh, thank god. Alright, first gear. Okay guys, I'm never doing that again. That was so scary. I've literally never been any more scared in my life, especially because there are so many people here. Hey, get the leaves off the car. But yeah, I did park under a tree. I think I know why no one parked here.
Yeah.
But whatever, I'm kind of in my own spot, but I'm right next to the stage. Really nice color.
My brother was like, I want a Bel Air or something like that.
Yeah. No one's getting on. I might have parked under a tree, but I'm close. It's really nice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, automatic.
Oh, wow,
That's nice.
Stuff. Yeah.
That's really nice. I like the paint.
Yeah.
It goes really well with it.
Mm-hmm.
But these are so simple. Those are the original headers. So cool.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I like this blue. That's a really nice color.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the homemade dash.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool. Right here. This is the car I want right here.
What is it?
But a 4-speed.
Oh, wow.
Here's the GT.
1964 Plymouth.
That's wow.
Factory color.
That's amazing.
And the interior is original too.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
It's barely faded.
Yeah. I mean,
And the steering wheel's still perfect. Wow. You guys engine block painted to match the car.
Oh, that's cool.
That is. Look at the interior.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice.
Wow.
That's
perfect.
Yeah.
That is like near perfect. Even the paint's perfect.
Yeah.
Jeez. It's amazing that cars actually look like this. Look at how simple and cute that is.
Yeah. I like how it's chrome.
I like the chrome. I don't like chrome on modern cars, but I like chrome in these.
Yeah, chrome looks good, especially when it's like on the inside, like on the Yeah, this was a very popular color.
Mine's down there.
Yeah.
I'm live.
This is a very popular color back then.
That is. I like the color.
Yeah.
I'd buy a car in this color. This is definitely like a notice me color.
Yeah.
Maybe if it had a little bit more metallic in it, but that'd be it.
Yeah.
I like that color. It's just the tone of it. And the dash is creative. This is a race car. It's got a cage. This is a race car.
Yeah.
Just look at the tachometer. But I want that little lip on the back of mine. I wish mine had that so bad. I love that, just that little lip. It's not big, and it doesn't really do anything, but it just looks cool. Yeah, I like your orange. It matches my orange over there. Oh wow, look at the paint.
Oh, that's cool. You don't notice until you get up close.
That, I've never seen that before. I love that. That is so cool. Look at the gauges.
Yeah, that's cool.
You'll never see a car built like that ever again.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I'm not the only one that's parked under the tree.
Yeah.
It took me a minute to realize when no one was parked there. Everyone's like surrounding it. That's pretty cool.
You don't have a zip on this side. Inside, like shoes in there.
Oh, this Corvette came from Maine.
Oh wow.
I love that hood.
That windshield.
The wind, yeah, you can't see anything out.
Like it's up there. How do you
Talk about headroom.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's cool.
There's so many blind spots. I can imagine.
That's just like, it is a blind spot.
Yeah.
It's just one big blind. It's just one big blind spot.
Yeah. Hear it echoing off the.
That's a choppy cam.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, I didn't think this through. I thought, you know, it'd be cool to put the car in the show, and then I forgot we have to walk back because we can't take the car home.
Yeah.
And we have one golf cart, and it's not ours.
Okay, we gotta take it.
Up and away.
Oh,
Downsy wownsy. Here they come. That is so fisheye. Oh my goodness. What? Look at that. Look at the fisheye-ness. Okay, I'm taking this off. And no more fisheye. There's the mode I always leave it in. There's no way I'm doing that ride. No, 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 no. Wow, that sounds good. Hang on. That thing sounds nasty.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got dump pipes like I do.
What?
I was like, how is this so loud? He's got dump pipes like I do.
Yeah.
Now should I do what Dave did last time? The guy was kicked out of here.
Oh gosh. What?
He dumped the clutch and spun the car.
Oh gosh.
He really did it. Oh my god, there's so
Oh
many
my
people.
gosh. Yeah.
There is so many people. There's a vlogger.
I know, I've seen that.
Everybody's staring.
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
I'm so scared of stalling this car. If I stall this car, hopefully I'm rolling fast enough where I get bump started again.
Oh, you're gonna scare that little girl.
The little girl will live. Oh yeah, you want some more of that? Come on, you little prick. Come on, we got a whole bunch of rich kids playing in the car.
Yeah.
Let's go, get out. Well, that was a eventful night. So the car seemed to get a lot of positive reaction. This is actually the first car show this car has ever been to.
Yeah.
And it just takes the whole bag. So right now I'm unloading the car, but yeah. So tomorrow will be the last day here. Let me double check to make sure I got everything. All right, everything's Gucci. So yeah, everybody stay Gucci, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.